everyone, welcome back to KKR YouTube channel. Today, I'm like a role playing. We're going on a summer vacation. It's just because it's really hot out there, scorching, and I'm just like, I want to wear something very cool, summery and hot dress. And also we are going for like vacation. And I'm going to introduce you guys some interesting, not some, a interesting pantyhose that I have tried recently, and also it's gifted by Solar Flare. So thank you very much. And yeah, before we get into, wait, before we are going for our summer vacation, please subscribe my channel if you haven't done yet, and like this video if you want to see more content, exclusive and sexier and spicier, happier, funner content. Please check out my membership site. You can find the link in the description box. Thank you so much for your support. Let's get into that. So yeah, how you like my our summer vacation outfit? I think it looks very, clean and slim fit. Also, the color reminds me of very, fresh laundry smell. So I'm happy with this. Today, the one I mentioned, interesting pantyhose was Elegant Conte top soft wide belt pantyhose. This one is also gifted from my fan. I have tried this few times. I actually opened this in my New York trip. Then since then I have wore this multiple times, maybe 3 or 4 times. But I thought this is very cute and interesting, so I wanted to introduce you guys. This is a black 40 denier pantyhose. And it looks pretty small, short, so that's very stretchy and very flexible fabric. We don't need to talk about that much about it, so let's just try this. Ta-da! So this is a Conte. It's called Conte brand. Not wild. Wide waistband, wide belt, adjustable height. The only things is size 2, but I feel like I should be the size 3, I guess. But with this size guide on the package, I'm definitely size 2. But yeah, I think I would feel better with the size 3. For denier, vitamin E included. That's interesting. Elastic tense tights with wide height, adjustable belt. It says adjustable belt, but it just feel like too short with my height, so it doesn't feel like very adjustable, to be honest. And flat seam and cotton gusset. And cotton gusset was very wide and feel very comfortable. For super sensitive skin, vitamin E, I thought this is really interesting. For sensitive skin, they putting vitamin E on their fabric. I think I never seen that kind of pantyhose before. And plus, I don't know if it is because of a vitamin E or not. When you put in some vitamin E oils, like your skin will glow. Your skin will get glow. And it also has a slightly glossy, like a shimmery look. So I like that. Usually, I didn't expect it that will glossy or a little bit of a shimmery on these tights before I try this. When I look at this, doesn't look like that, but it also has some shimmery looking. So I think that's very interesting and I like that point. So since this is a 40 denier and slightly shimmer tights, and also it's very firm, it doesn't look very loose fit, it feels very firm. So kind of like having some, compression. Not really, but you know what I'm saying. What do you think about this summer vacation outfit? Thank you for watching my video today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on my membership site as a member. Let's see there. Bye guys!